Hey guys, it's Ginobili, and today I just want to do a little short video to help you guys like myself, us small creators, on how to upload your PlayStation clips to your PC, because we all know that Share Factory is terrible, and if you want to create good content, you're definitely going to want to edit on anything but a PlayStation. So I just want to help you out, and yeah. So first things first, you want to go over to your library, of course. And then you want to either search or you can go over to capture gallery. And you want to press start once again. And now just choose the clip you're going to want to, I guess, edit or use. And for me, that's the Crew 2, clip that I just recorded for this video. So now look at your controller and you're going to want to press share. Share, and it'll say share video clip. And then for this, you're gonna want to link your YouTube. As you can see, I've already, and the Twitter doesn't work. So yeah, I don't think you can upload clips from your computer on Twitter. So click after you link to your YouTube, just click on YouTube, and now you'll see the information of your video that usually if you're gonna upload a video on Share Factory, you'd see. For us, we're not really gonna upload it, so the title and description doesn't matter. The only thing that really does matter is the privacy, and you're not going to want to make it public nor unlisted because people are still going to be able to see it. You're going to want to press private, so only you could be the one that can watch it. Okay, so now you just want to go down, and as you can see, PlayStation audience, no one. So just now press share, and just go press notifications, and here you'll see that it's uploading. And now it's done. So I'm going to switch to my PC to show you. Okay, now that you're on your PC, all you're going to do is come up to this URL and just type in youtube.com. Okay, now that you're here, either sign in or just click on the top right avatar, and you'll see this huge section, and all you're going to want to do is click on is your channel. Now that you're on your channel, as you can see, I am on mine. Not that many views and stuff, and you might want to subscribe also, a little plug-in. But now all you want to do is click on the blue rectangle on the right that says manage videos, and it'll take you to the YouTube Creator Studio, and maybe it might spawn you in a dashboard, but just go down to content. Now you can see that the clips I uploaded from my PlayStation are right here, and you can see it's private, unlike these which are public, and those are the ones on my channel. So now all you want to do is just hover over this and you'll see these options. You're going to want to click on the options or the three dots, and it'll give you these options also. All you're going to want to do now is just press download, and right here on the bottom left you will see that it's downloading, and then you could just press, when it's done, open, and you'll see the clip that I used today, or I recorded today from my PlayStation. It's right here. And even if you don't believe that, you can come to your files, and if you go to quick access or downloads, you can see that the clip is also here. Now you could just import this into your editing studio or whatever you use, and you can edit. Yeah, it's just that. It's really easy, and I hope this helps you small creators like me, and yeah, have a good day.